This luxurious French country home house plan gives you just over 5,100 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and 2 massive garages, giving you a total of 5 bays. There is plenty of space for the whole family in this incredible house plan. The open floor plan design creates the perfect gathering area for friends and family, where conversation and laughter can flow uninterrupted from the kitchen and breakfast room into the great room, all of which is accented by beautiful 10-foot ceilings and faux timber beams. On either side of the foyer, you'll find dual-purpose rooms that can be used whichever way will best fit your family. The proposed office or study room features a 16-foot ceiling and an elegant rounded wall covered in windows that will allow for natural light to flood in. This space is fantastic for those stay-at-home parents or anyone who may work remotely. On the left side is the formal dining room that can also be used as a study or media room if formal dining is not your style. 3 large rooms are located behind the great room, each boasting an en-suite bathroom and walk-in closet. Tucked away on the other side of the home is the spacious master suite with a huge walk-in closet and direct access to the outdoor living porch. Upstairs, you'll find a game room and guest room, allowing your visitors their own private space. Attached to the home, but separated by one of the garages, is the in-law suite, complete with a kitchen, den, spacious bedroom, and bathroom with a stacked washer and dryer.